Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is going to focus on Alpine for holding stock. It was one of the stock that we have covered in a recent video, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plans for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve this. So we can easily see that the stock was trading at 2.70 US dollar, it's 0.000 US dollar losses with 0.37% negative loss. In 5 days time frame, the stock was trading at 0.40 US dollar losses with 12.90% negative loss. In 1 month time frame, the stock was trading at 0.60 US dollar losses with 18.18% negative loss.